Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 160 plus mixed art social network banner template. Here you see their preview. You can select any of this template according to your purpose or according to your choice. You can select any of this. For example, I open it. Now in layer area you can see many layers. You can edit any layer according to your own choice. For example, website, Facebook, your logo, header text, DJ name, shape line, special party, and many layer. You can select and edit any layer according to your own choice. Simply, if you want to replace text, simply go to text tool, tool bar and select text tool and replace your text. Same like it, you can edit any of this template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.